Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is Hawaiian chicken. So I have a pack of chicken tenders, and I'm just slicing those in little bite-sized pizzas. I love these kitchen scissors, it just makes it so much easier, I think. And when I'm done cutting those up, season with some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to strain out the pineapple juice and leave the pineapples in the can. And to that juice, I'm adding, you could use soy sauce. I'm using coconut aminos. To me, it tastes the exact same and it's less sodium. And a heaping spoonful of garlic. My little kitchen helper's trying to assist. And then I'm going to add some cornstarch. And some brown sugar. I'm going to mix that up and set that aside. Then I also have a bowl with some more cornstarch and a scrambled egg, or beaten egg rather. I'm going to toss the chicken in there and then put it in the egg mixture. And make sure everything's coated. Then I heated up some oil in a skillet and dumped all the chicken in there. I kind of want it sticks together even though it's cut up in tiny pieces, but once I flip it, I'll break it up better. Let that cook for a few minutes, then flip it over and let it finish cooking till it's all done. I did take the spatula and try to break up every little piece that I could. And when that's all cooked, I'm going to add the sauce to it. And then you could add the pineapples in if you'd like to. I only added a couple because the kids don't like when the pineapple's in there for some reason. I think it tastes delicious, but I do have picky eaters, so they just had pineapple on the side. You're just going to cook that for a while until it thickens up. Then I serve mine with rice and broccoli that I have steamed. So once that's heated up, you could just plate it. So I have some rice, steamed broccoli, and then the Hawaiian chicken on top. Super good and delicious. If you'd like to follow the recipe, I have it linked below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.